we were like 10. Yeah, don't mess it up. When you say you love me, that made me crazy. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can be reasoned with don't be impolite. I told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it obvious? F-R-I-N-D-S. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it obvious? F-R-I-N-D-S. F-R-I-N-D-S.
Hey guys, today I'm bringing my dog out to a walk. So I was gonna play Minecraft, but homework. So I'll do that tomorrow. So see you outside. Let's go. Come on, baby. Let's go. Everyone, it's so foggy outside. I can hardly breathe. Someone had a big barbecue. Dude, it literally smells like fire. Blech. Out to call for a friend. Guys, I was rejected. Claire needs to finish her homework, and I'm probably not going to be outside by then. Ugh. Bummer. We walked all the way 5 minutes. Guys, you don't know how long it's taken. Come on, sniff the ground and go. Look at all these flowers, guys. How pretty. Come on, Riley, let's go. Oh, you're so fast. You're so fast. Woohoo. I made his leash long, guys. Everyone in my neighborhood loves just sitting on this wall and loves climbing it. So, what they're gonna do, guys? I have just spotted other dogs. My dog hates everyone except kids, and so we boxed everything. So as you can hear, I'm gonna drag him away. So yeah, you're Quay, baby. Quay. Let's go, let's run, baby, let's go. If you guys have never seen my house, this is it. Small, nice car. Bruh. The person's gone. We can go back now. Good boy. The person has 2 dogs. A Maltese, which Riley is, and a shepherd dog, I think. I don't know my breeds. It's pouring happy. We've been here before. This is our favorite tree to play in or pee in. Same things. Actually, you didn't pee. You just stood there. Yeah, dogs tend to do that. He's like a cat. Time to sit. Embarrassed. Ronnie keeps on barking. It's been 5 hours. JK, guys. JK. So, quiet. Listen a minute. I wish I could stack these up. I've already stocked 2 of them. I'm the queen of the world. Don't follow me down, babe. No, I'm not being babe, I mean dog, like the dog babe. Like the book babe. Like 4 hands. Oh, this is a neighbor dog. It's cute, right? There's a house that we can. Every room inside is filled with things from far away. The special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. Comment down below if you guys think I should sing louder, or and comment down below if you're going up to the community games tomorrow. Well, on Saturday, which I am. I'm performing in a group with a few other friends. So, 2 days. The real song of My Little Pony. My little pony, my little pony. Sorry. My little pony, my little pony. Fake version. My little pony, skinny and bony. As usual, comment down below which one you like more. I'm off the road, mister. Sneaky. It's been like 5 hours. Where is Claire, girl? Never saw this before. Or did I? Bada bada. I'm sorry, guys. I'm weird. And then this is a sweet where Claire's house is. Hers is number 9. Not saying that to stalk. Just, I know where her house is. And guys, I'll be really supportive if you just hit that like button. Share your life with me. And I'm really trying to hit at least 10 subscriber, guys. Comment down below for this baby. You want to say so? Comment down below, please. No, comment, I mean subscribe. Guys, I'm really trying to hit 10. I'm only on 5, guys. I'm halfway through. My best friend has 64. Her name, Eve84, I think she changed it, but who knows? Just, guys, please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope you viewers subscribe to me. Please. I'm also moving to Sweden. It's going to be really hard. I know no one in Sweden. It's going to be really hard, so please get me some internet friends.